Hey guys, I think this is going to be a quick one. I just wanted to talk about some of the things that I do to take care of my knees and my back while I'm working in the garden. And so I have just this simple pad to kneel on, and this can really save the knees big time. There's a whole bunch of different ways to approach this. Another good one is they make knee pads that are specifically for the garden. You don't have to get the ones that they make specifically for the garden. You can use any old knee pads, but I've been thinking about getting some of them. Those would be a great option if you know you're going to be kneeling in a lot of different places. This pad is kind of good for one spot, but if you're going to be moving around a lot, you have to move it with you. But it's a good option as well. And as for some things I do to save my back, I like to wear, so if I know I'm going to be doing a lot of heavy stuff or doing a lot of stooping or bending down in the garden, then I will wear a compression shirt and compression socks, and it kind of helps save my back a bit. It's not quite a back brace, but it is going towards that direction, and it really helps my back not get messed up, or not get messed up so much when I'm out here working in the garden on those sorts of tasks. But there are some things you can do design-wise that can just prevent you from being in those situations. For instance, if I had more space, I might opt to get some like higher up raised beds, and then I could just be standing at them and working. I wouldn't have to be stooping down or kneeling down next to them. I envy the people that have the space for those style of raised beds. Maybe one day I'll have some that are that tall, like the pretty tall Birdies raised beds. That would be cool. But those are just some ways to kind of save your posture, your back, and your knees. Another thing for the knees is I have gone through some jeans knees when I didn't feel like getting this pad out. So it also saves the jeans and your pant legs a bit if you have some knee pads or a pad or things like that. So just some options to think about.